Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Trello AI Power-Up, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your Trello board where the AI Power-Up is enabled. Navigate to the top right corner of your board. Click on the Power UPS button to open the Power UPS menu. Scroll through the list of enabled Power UPS. Find the Trello AI Power-Up in the list. Click on the settings icon next to the Trello AI Power-Up. In the Settings menu, look for the Disable button. Click on Disable to turn off the Trello AI Power-Up. A confirmation prompt may appear, confirming your choice to disable. Confirm your action by clicking Yes or Disable in the prompt. After disabling, check that the Power-Up is no longer listed under Enabled Power UPS. To completely uninstall, click on the Power UPS button again. Go to the Manage Power UPS section in the menu. Find the Trello AI Power-Up you want to uninstall. Click on the Remove option next to the Trello AI Power-Up. A final confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to remove the Power-Up. Your Trello AI Power-Up is now uninstalled from your board. You can refresh your board to ensure all changes are applied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.